Hey, this is Mike, and I just want to give you updates right before the market's going to be open, probably about 10 or 15 minutes. And the market futures are really low, almost down 2%. And it's really because the S&P 500 has fallen below the 50-day moving average, as well as the other indexes. So that means you're getting a lot of like programmed automatic selling, and you're going to get people that are going to sell. Now, I have heard some people recommend going short or using short ETFs. I personally do not like to short, and that's because it's very hard to time when a market bottoms because when you have these big down days, you're going to have big up days. So you can start shorting now, make a little money, and then you get caught in the rebound, and then you lose all your money shorting. So what I basically like to do now is look at the cash that I have on hand and just see stuff that I want to buy that just goes on sale. And at this point, what you want to look at are like the highest quality companies, like your Amazon, Apple, your Googles. Um, I wouldn't necessarily. I mean, Tesla is good, but if unless you're really committed long term to Tesla, if you're just looking for something safe that's gonna be at a discount, definitely take a look at um, companies that have been around for a while, and you know that they're going to be around for a while, and they have a PE ratio. That's why I like Apple, and Amazon doesn't have well, they have a PE ratio, but it's not as good as Apple's. But that's another solid company that you know in November and December is going to be strong. I would just say take advantage of the fact that these are going to be at a discount, and also notice that Apple and Amazon are probably going to perform better than um, most other stocks out there. I'm just going to take a look at the Nasdaq 100. It's down 1.66. So Amazon and Apple are very good to look at. If you look at I'm coming out with a video later today on three stocks that I'm going to pick up for November, and that'll kind of show you that I do think that while the stock market is going to be rough for the next week or so, I do think there'll be a nice recovery because we are going to have the Santa Claus rally. It's just this is essentially technical selling. We've fallen below the 50-day moving average, but as far as all the stuff that's coming up that some people are uncertain about, whether it be the election or the second wave of COVID, uh, everybody knows that. The stuff that really catches people off guard are the stuff that people don't know about. It's kind of like, let's say, for instance, what we had with Lehman Brothers in 2008. No one really saw that coming. Everybody sees the election being chaotic coming. Everybody knows there's going to be more COVID cases coming up. So that's not really the chaos. Like I said, at this point, we've fallen below the 50-day moving average. So we are going to move lower for a couple of trading days, but people will find bargains because there are a lot of companies that are just they're going to do well. Like why dump Apple? Why dump Amazon? Why dump these great companies that make a lot of money? So that's my update for right before the market opens. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, and you can go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications because I do multiple updates each day on stocks and the stock market and options. Thanks. Bye.